Ever wish you could give clients more personalized feedback without spending hours tracking their progress? What if you could automate the process and give clients exactly what they need to stay motivated? Hi, I'm Lisa from Scale Mastery. Today, I'll show you how to set up automated data tracking for client progress, giving you real-time insights to offer personalized support and keep clients engaged. Imagine how this will enhance your coaching relationships by always knowing where your clients stand. In this video, I'll walk you through creating an automated tracking system that captures client milestones and sends updates. Plus, stay with me till the end to get access to a free progress tracking template that will help you start immediately. Let's quickly understand why automated data tracking is a game changer for your business. It saves you time, ensures accuracy, and allows you to provide personalized support based on real-time client data. This means better results for your clients and higher retention for you. Set up a custom tracking form. Go to your Go HighLevel dashboard and click the Sites tab on the left-hand side. Navigate to the Form Builder under the Form tab. Create a new form by clicking the Add Form button. Give your form a name to manage it easily. Add the essential fields to track key client metrics, such as name, phone number, email. Add other elements by clicking the plus button on the left side. Use the Quick Add fields or Custom Fields options. For example, I chose text boxes for progress points. A date field to select the date client feedback or ratings. Finally, add a Submit button. After completing and setting up your form, save the form. Click the Integrate tab and copy the link to embed your form on other pages, like your funnel. Automate data collection. Go to the Automations tab and create a new workflow. Give your workflow a name like Data Tracking to measure client progress. Click the Add Trigger button. Set a trigger, such as Form Submitted. Use the filter to specify your form. Save your trigger. Add an action to send email or send SMS. Write a message encouraging clients to fill out the form, like, "Hi, Mr. Bruce, we value your progress. Please take a moment to update us on your coaching journey. Contact me using the link below." Save your action. Activate the workflow and save it to ensure the forms are sent out automatically on schedule. Set up submissions tracking. Go HighLevel automatically tracks form submissions. To access the data, go to the Forms section and select the Submissions option. Select your form to view the list of submissions with timestamps and client details. Export the data as needed for external analysis. Analyze form metrics. To analyze form data, go to the Analytics tab. If your form is embedded in a funnel, navigate to Funnels greater than Select the funnel, greater than Check the stats. If you're checking your form metrics directly, click the Form tab and select your form name. View metrics like views, responses, completion rate, average time. These insights will help you assess lead engagement, improve processes, and grow your coaching or other business as your clients desire. And that's it. You've just set up a seamless system for tracking client progress in Go HighLevel, ready to bring more personalization into your coaching without adding extra work. Click our exclusive link in the description to get a 30-day free trial with Go HighLevel. That's double the usual trial period. You'll also receive instant access to our customizable progress tracking template, helping you automate client updates right away. If this video was helpful, hit subscribe for more ways to elevate your coaching business. And be sure to check out our upcoming video on creating lead magnet funnels to consistently attract new clients. It's a game changer for growing your reach. Thanks for watching. Automating progress tracking doesn't just save you time, it keeps clients motivated and engaged. See you in the next video.